Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to explain that behind the head pressing is not bad for your shoulders. What is bad for your shoulders is having rounded shoulders or bad posture or any sort of upper back rounding like that. So if you were like this whenever you were standing, even ever so slightly, behind the head pressing is not going to be very good for you. If your shoulders have the capacity to move and you have a good overhead position, then behind the neck pressing is actually a great thing that you can do and helps to take stress off the front of the shoulder. So if you imagine that you're always pressing in front of your body, you're always slightly loading this front part a little bit more. Or if you actually press from behind the neck, then you're going to be able to engage a lot more stuff at the back end. So it really comes down to an overall training issue rather than one exercise being the problem. So make sure that your shoulders have the proper capacity to move and that you know that you're definitely doing the exercise correct before you continue on with it. And that goes for any exercise, not just behind the neck pressing. Okay guys?